It is the last day of our summer Clutter Clean series. This is right up my alley. This week, we've tidied up our kitchens, beauty drawers. Now we're talking tech. Jason Chen is deputy editor of Wirecutter, a New York Times production product recommendation service. Good morning, Jason.
Good morning.
All right, so let's start. The worst thing you ever hear to me is you need to back up. My mom's like, what is the cloud?
Yeah.
Where is the cloud? So how do you make this relatable as to backing up and something we could all do?
It's actually really easy. So you can either do an external hard drive. We have recommendations for a lot of those on Wirecutter, or you can back up to the cloud. It's basically automatically done. The worst thing you can do actually is just have so much on your phone and computer that you end up having to buy more on the cloud. That's a bad cycle to get in. So we have a couple recommendations for how to clear out your phone and computer. The first thing that you want to do to declutter your computer, back everything up on the cloud or a hard drive, and then from there what you're going to want to do is delete large programs. So on a Mac, you click About This Mac, go to Storage, Manage. It'll come up with a bunch of recommendations.
Give me a recommendation of something we would delete.
You would want to delete old movies you've already watched.
Okay.
You would want to delete podcasts you've already listened to. You can delete your trash bin automatically. There are a couple different things. Something else you can do to make sure that browsing goes faster is remove the extensions on your browser. So if you're using Chrome, if you're using Safari, all these extensions slow it down, gunk it up. You can go through, manage them, get rid of anything you don't need.
But what do you mean manage? Get rid of either Chrome or Safari?
No, get rid of on the extensions. So on Chrome, you click the puzzle icon, click Manage Extensions, and you can get rid of any toolbars you've added, anything that's sort of like slowing down your experience.
Okay, no, I'm going to go to Wirecutter. I just want to make sure.
It's all on Wirecutter.
Okay, now photos and text messages.
Yes.
Those are like space suckers, right?
Space suckers.
How do you change this?
So this is my iPhone. So we're going to demonstrate around my iPhone. You go to Settings, and then you go down to General, and then you go to iPhone Storage. And this will actually give you a bunch of recommendations for what to do. So we recommend at Wirecutter you auto-delete old conversations. A lot of the things that are clogging up your messages are these old conversations that are older than a year. You turn this on, it gets rid of anything that's older than a year. You don't even have to think about it. If that gives you the heebie-jeebies, if you want more control, you know, if you want to stare longingly at texts from your ex, I get it. You go in, you review large attachments instead.
Oh, that's
You can
good.
go through and just manually delete anything. I have puppy videos and hailstorm videos I don't need.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
All right.
That's really good. Can we find my phone so you can do that for me before we leave?
We'll do it later.
Let's talk about decluttering and getting rid of items you don't use, especially in your computer for disposal.
Yes. So once you're ready to get rid of your computer, we all know you're going to want to wipe it. The first thing you want to do before doing that, though, is back everything up.
Right.
Same old story.
Check.
All right. And then on a computer, you'll want to encrypt it, because if it's not encrypted, it's possible for bad actors to recover things.
I'm ashamed because I don't know. I wouldn't know how to do that.
I know, it's very tricky. So on Windows, all you have to do is use BitLocker or type it in, you'll find it.
Okay.
And on Macs, you can just use File Vault. You'll encrypt it. It takes a couple hours. Then when you're wiping it, nobody will be able to recover your information.
That's good to know.
Very good to know. And then on your phone or your watch, encryption is done automatically, so you don't need to bother doing that. Just do a factory reset. It's good to go.
And then we wipe it,
and then
we'll wipe it, and then we're safe. Okay.
Exactly.
Chanel's going to need your phone number.
I'm like,
we'll text later. Yeah.
So once you strip your device, it's perfectly clean. Where do you go to sell it? Are there places that want this kind of stuff?
So you take it and you throw it in the trash. No, I'm absolutely kidding. Just making sure we're all paying attention. What you can do, there are a couple different things. So the first thing you can do is sell your device.
Okay.
So there's eBay, Craigslist. Gazelle is a specialty place that lets you sell back your old device, pay you money for it, actually. And then otherwise, if you want to recycle your device, you can take your Apple device to an Apple. You occasionally might even get a gift card if there's still resale value.
Oh, wow.
Otherwise, you can bring your device to a Staples or a Best Buy, recycle it in person for free.
Is there any reason to hold on to it?
I mean, if you really want to, like, preserve it for the future. You know, there are all these people who sell their iPods. Like,
I have my original iPod.
I mean, that's a collector's item at this point.
I donate them to women's shelters.
That's
a
really
nice
point. Yeah, we have some good donation places.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jason.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.